Hey you guys, literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I do stuff, and wait a minute. Look, it's Sunday when I'm filming this. I haven't showered, that's why my hair is pulled back. I'm on my last day of the cold, so my voice is a little... Anyway, this is an exciting video because we are going over the Gothic Farmhouse Halloween edition. At the end of this video, I am going to give the instructions on the spooky season giveaway that is going to run until the end of the month. So you stay tuned for that. In case anyone is wondering, this is the Gwen Stefani Give lipstick that I opened in my last video. I do think it's kind of pretty. I don't know if I'm really giving off her vibes. I feel like I'm giving off like Robert Palmer vibes, if you're old enough to know what that means. Let's get to it. Most of you did see my previous Gothic Farmhouse tour. I did in this season kind of grab some things that I'm going to be using all year round, but I also did grab some Halloween decorations. So I'm going to take you outside first, and then we're going to come back inside and take a look at how we fared on this lovely holiday season. So on our tree out in the front yard, I have this spider web that is sparkling that I didn't know was sparkling when I bought it. I picked the ghosty this year, and then my husband picked the scary girl ghost in the tree. And then of course we've got our 12-foot Charlie that is the neighborhood favorite. As soon as we were putting him up, people were stopping by our driveway saying, "Oh, he's our favorite of the whole neighborhood." He's definitely one of my favorites too. And then just real simple on the front door, since it's the year of the ghosty, I have this little tiny wreath that says boo with some cute ghosties and bats. Very simple but effective. So the decoration by the TV is my little metal haunted town. Can you believe I actually bought one of these this year that did not have a light in it? Like, I must have picked up the only one that didn't have a light in it. So I've got to get a candle for that. I am collecting the matte metal black houses from Target, and I got these two this year. It's kind of like a church and then another spooky house. But this is the little haunted theme that we've got going on below the TV. I've got my little ghosty. I picked up these little white and black pumpkins from Target. And of course, we've got the spooky cider lane candle from Bath & Body Works. So very, very cute for us to watch television. Also at Target, I picked up these adorable Gothic pillows that have like snakes and spider webs on them. And then at Walmart, I got this cute little ghosty pillow. So they round out the corner of this house just perfectly. And then of course we have the ghosty fireplace mantle with the little ghosty light up neon that I got at Big Lots that I am in love with. And I finally got the Salem Forest wooden apothecary sign. I've been wanting it for years, but it was always sold out, and I finally found it at Kirkland, so I snatched it up. That is going to be an all year decoration for me, but it does fit with this theme right now. And then of course on the mantle, I have the purple light with all of the Halloween ghosties that I have been collecting this season. So I believe that that came out very, very nice. I love this little spot of the house. I kept the same centerpiece that I have throughout the house all year long, but I put a spider web little runner underneath, and then I did stick in some black rose eyeball flowers into the eucalyptus, so I really do like how that looks. Over here on the coffee bar, I did get this little wooden and mirror window that has like a spider web in it at the Target dollar spot, or I think it's called Bullseye Playground now. And we do have the light up bat. It kind of just gives our little coffee bar a little touch of spooky season. And then last but not least, we do have the Year of the Ghosty Halloween tree. This year, I decided to get some purple lights, and then we did end up getting the ghosty ornaments from At Home, and I picked up some purple Christmas bulbs and bows from the dollar store. Some of them are glitter, some of them have spider webs. I do feel like this ended up coming out really, really cute. It does read a little bit pink in my opinion. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more purple, but the overall effect is really, really cute. And I think that it does make a good Halloween statement inside the house. What do you think, honey?
It's great.
It's great. We love it, right?
We love it.
Yes, it's very, very cute. Shout out to my hubs for doing a little cameo in that video. He's like, oh, I hate this. So that was a little bit of the Halloween decorations that I have this year. I do want to note that I took some of that video, especially the inside, during the nighttime so that some of the lights would kind of like show off a little bit more. But I really do like how the house is lit during the day. We have a lot of windows, so there's a ton of light that comes in, and I do really appreciate the way the Gothic farmhouse looks in the daytime. So I just wanted to give you guys a little shot of that. And I'm going to show you some of the little things that I did pick up during the season that I am using all year round. I did get these really cute little appetizer plates that I'm using as coasters. I think from the last video, you guys knew that I was looking to replace the placemats in my kitchen. I found these gorgeous Gothic inspired placemats, and then I did get a couple more kitchen-y things that are going to be up all year round. I am using the cake stand that I got at Home Goods. I found a dome lid for it, and I did pick up a couple other little ghosty things that I am definitely loving in the kitchen. So all of these little pieces are just making like my life just a little bit more joyful. Anyway, why you're really here. You want to know about the spooky season giveaway. So I have this huge box. Let's pretend that it is not a BoxyCharm box. That's why I put this beautiful cover on the front. But it is packed to the gills with all kinds of awesome Halloween-y, spooky stuff. We got the Kill Star stuff in here, some Lethal Cosmetics. We've got some Home Goods stuff. We've got some just all types of things in here. I even put in some of the Rebel Misfit pieces. I mean, like, this is an awesome, awesome box, and it won't even stay shut. It's packed so much in here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the description below this video. You're gonna make sure you're subscribed. Please, guys, make sure you're subscribed. You know, just be a good YouTuber and like press that little subscribe button. You could comment on this video. That does help out a lot. But what you're really gonna do, is you're gonna click the link and you're gonna fill out that information. And at the end of October, I am going to spin the wheel of everybody that entered by clicking that link, and we are going to pick a winner, and I am going to ship this baby out to you. And I would be so excited to get this. It is full of awesome stuff, guys. Like, seriously, it is a great little giveaway box. Again, press that subscribe button, comment down below, click that link, enter all of your information, and just cross your fingers and hope to the Halloween gods that your name comes up on that wheel at the end of October. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I swear I'm nice. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. Go ahead and comment and click that link down below to enter and show me some love. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.